The following video will contain some very delicious food, so you may not want to watch an empty stomach. Hey everyone, Scott or the Scottman, and we're here to do a Travel Delights video today. We are here in Holland, Michigan, located here at Washington Square. We're in front of Pereddies. It is a very popular Italian restaurant located not too far, I'd say, to the southwest of downtown Holland. And last year, like the late summer, the restaurant changed owners. So when it comes to new owners, they bring sometimes a lot of cool new recipes or whole new different flavor. I've never been to the restaurant at all before, so I don't know what it was like back in the day, but I heard some pretty good reviews on it. So haven't had Italian food in a while, so I'm quite excited right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the other side of the camera, and we're gonna cross the street, and I'm gonna go get some dinner. I'm inside, and got a nice little table by the window. Probably could open it, but it'd be a little too bright in here. Yeah. Really like the dining area, and I already have a house salad ready to go. This looks very good. Looks like got some cheese, some carrots, and looks like some Italian dressing. This looks yummy. Les looks nice and fresh too. The lettuce tastes nice and fresh too, so this is really good. Nice amount of cheese, some carrots, and nice amount of Italian dressing. Oh, it feels so good. Wonderful salad. And it comes with a jumbo roll as well. Really warm. Bread's nice and warm. Well, it tastes nice and warm, and very nice. You don't even need butter. I almost could put butter on it, but I kind of need to watch what I eat a little bit. Yeah, fantastic. Up for the main course, I ordered some lasagna. I haven't had a good lasagna in a long time, so one of my favorite Italian dishes. So figure we'll get it tonight and see when the food comes. Can't wait to eat it. Here's the lasagna. Look at all that cheese. It's all melted on top of it. Got some very nice sauce. This looks like art. And of course you got lots of cheese inside, lots of different layers, and normally, it's like by default it comes vegetarian, but if you want, you can also get a couple meatballs too if you want them. But yeah, too bad you guys can't smell this because it smells so delicious. All right, I just have a few pieces, and it's a good thing Garfield the cat's not here, because otherwise I would not be enjoying this video. Probably would have eaten it by now. It's starting to come up a little bit. Not going anywhere. Hey, come on here. If there's only one place you're going, it's inside of me. This is good, pretty good. There's a lot of cheese in it, especially melted cheese. See it actually dripping. So much cheese, but so awesome. And the sauce is pretty good too, and it's not very overwhelming, which is always good. So that way you can taste more of the cheeses and the pasta as well. But yeah, the cheese is very, very good. And I'm gonna have a little bit of the meatball. There we go. It's got a little bit of cheese on it. Ooh, even this smells really good. Pretty good. Like the flavors in these meatballs. It's fantastic. Okay, gotta get one more bite on camera. So cheesy and delicious. Yep, definitely have to come here when you're here in Holland. And shortly after I got here, a lot more people started to show up, so I'm glad I got here when I did. I mean, I'll eat the rest of this off camera, and I'll see you guys back outside. That lasagna was so good, and it filled me up too, so the portions were pretty generous, I had to say. The service was really, really good too. Had fantastic service. And I will say the prices are a little on the higher side, so if you're here on a budget, it may not be the place for you, but it's worth the price though. Because that food was spectacular. Loved the cheese in that. It really made the lasagna. And one thing I forgot to mention too about Pereddies is that it's not only a restaurant, but there's also a little bar area, and it's also a deli too. You can buy some different breads or meats over at the little small deli that they have at the pretty much in the front entrance of the restaurant, and they just walk through like the little small grocery store, and then there's a area where the host or hostess will seat you for the restaurant. So if you're here in Holland, Michigan, especially if you're here for the Tulip Festival or just any time of the year in general, definitely have to check out Pereddies. Very great Italian food. I hope you enjoyed this Travel Delights video. And if you want to watch more of my Travel Delights videos, definitely click on this video link over here. And be sure to click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the little notification symbol, so that way you know when any of my videos go up, and come along and join the adventure. Well, thank you for watching today's Travel Delights video here at Pereddies here in Holland, Michigan. This is Scott, or the Scottman, signing out.